Up to this point, you have learned the fundamentals, how AI works, how to prompt effectively, and how to build workflows. Now it is time to bring everything together because understanding AI is one thing, but using it effectively in real situations is where the real value begins. In this video, we shift from learning to doing. You will see how to apply everything you have learned to real tasks, build practical workflows, and start developing true AI skill. Up to this point, you have learned how AI works, how to prompt effectively, and how to build workflows. But knowledge alone is not enough. The real transformation happens when you take action. Skill is built through doing, not just understanding. Every time you use AI with intention, you improve your ability to guide it and get better results. Instead of trying to use AI for everything at once, start with one use case. Pick a simple task that matters to you. It could be writing, planning, research, or problem solving. Focus on one clear goal and apply what you have learned. This creates momentum and makes the learning process manageable. Take that use case and turn it into a simple workflow. Define each step clearly. Let the output of one step feed into the next. Then refine each part of the process. Over time, this becomes faster, smoother, and more effective. As you build your workflow, use prompting intentionally. Be clear about what you want. Provide context so the AI understands the situation. Add rules to shape the output. Then refine the results through iteration. This is where prompting becomes a real skill. To get the most out of AI, start thinking in systems. Every input you give affects the output you receive. When your process is structured, your results become more consistent. Systems allow you to scale your work without increasing effort. AI works best when it is treated as a partner, not a replacement. You provide direction, context, and judgment. The AI supports your thinking and execution. Through collaboration and feedback, the results improve significantly. Do not expect perfect results on the first try. The first output is just a draft. The real value comes from refining it. Each iteration improves quality, clarity, and usefulness. This process is what separates basic use from expert use. There are a few common mistakes to avoid. Do not rely on AI blindly without checking the results. Do not overcomplicate your workflows. Do not skip structure. Stay focused on the outcome you are trying to achieve. Consistency is what builds real capability. Save what works, improve your prompts over time, refine your workflows, track what produces good results. This is how small improvements turn into significant gains. The most important step is applying AI to real work. Use it in your daily tasks, integrate it into your workflows, focus on solving real problems and creating real value. This is where AI becomes truly useful. AI is constantly evolving, and new tools will continue to appear. Staying curious and open to learning is essential. Experiment with new approaches and continue refining your skills. While tools will change, core skills remain important. Clear thinking helps you define better prompts. Communication improves output. Judgment ensures quality. Adaptability helps you stay relevant. AI allows you to do more with less effort. It increases productivity, expands what you are capable of, and enables you to take on more complex challenges. Used effectively, it becomes a powerful tool for growth. Those who learn how to use AI effectively gain a competitive advantage. Better workflows produce better results. Skill creates new opportunities. Execution is what ultimately sets you apart. The most important step is to take action. Start small, apply what you have learned, improve a little each day. Over time, that momentum builds into real skill and confidence. Your approach defines success. AI is not just a tool, it is a skill. Tools will change, but your ability to think, prompt, and build workflows will stay with you. Your approach is what defines your success. At this point, you have everything you need to start using AI effectively. You understand the tools, the workflows, and the thinking behind it. Now it comes down to one thing: action. Start small, apply what you have learned, improve a little each time. Because skill with AI is not built in theory, it is built through consistent use. And the more you practice, the more powerful this becomes.